Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So I have a couple of food related events to go to today, and so I need prayers for my stomach. I'm on my way to a birthday brunch, hence I'm laying my edges down because it's already like I think 93 degrees and it's only 11:30 in the morning. And then I'm going to this like sweet science lab. Y'all see, I will make sure to record some footage. So come and hang with me on this Sunday. I went to church last night. For y'all, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I like to go to church on Saturday night. That way I don't have to get up early on Sunday morning, okay? Okay. That awkward moment where you're already running late and you go to the wrong restaurant because they have two locations within a mile of each other. So I'm on my way to the correct location. I am at this point almost 45 minutes late. I'm gonna do better, okay? I'm gonna do better. Hey y'all, so I'm here at the Lincoln Experience Center, about to go in for the Sweet Science Lab. It should be interesting to see what we're gonna do today. I'm about 15 minutes late, and it's fine from 2 to 4. I'm about to go up in here, and there's something going on up here at Cowboy Square. I don't know what that is. I'm vlogging from my iPhone, so I don't know where to look on the camera, but hopefully I'm looking in the right place, and I'll take y'all with me. Okay. So guys, I just want to give you a little tour of the Lincoln Experience Center. So when you first come in, you check in right there. It's a beautiful space, and they've got cars here, and then you can kind of see what events they have going on for the summer. It's got a little bar right there. There's more vehicles there. So let me walk you over so you can see what's going on. So there's like a little lounge area over here. It's fantastic. And then you got the cars, fancy. And I think there's a lot of different things going on. The liquid nitrogen. Now, I nerd out with this kind of stuff. Look at this, look at this, look at this. So guys, this is sorbet and ice cream made with liquid nitrogen. I'm at the Sweet Science Lab here at the Lincoln Experience Center in Frisco. We're gonna try it out and see how it is. All right, so tell me what we got going on here.
It's a corn puff pastry mixed in liquid nitrogen. So when you crunch on it, it's gonna give you dragon's breath. We call it dragon's breath.
Ooh,
so
nice. It's rolling in the liquid nitrogen. Like the engineer in me is like excited right now.
Yes.
It's so cold. Oh my God. I got dragon breath. Oh my God.
Yeah, most definitely. Are you ready?
You got to do it fast, Megan, or it's gonna it's gonna. So if you close your mouth, it'll come out your nose. Yes. And if you open your mouth, it'll come out your mouth.
Drop it into some cold oil. Scoop some out there. And I'm going to wash it off a little bit.
Okay. That's it, huh?
Yep, it's that simple. Now, the only reason I'm washing it off is so it doesn't taste like oil.
Right.
But then when you look at it, we get little caviar bites of strawberry.
I love it. Perfect to go on top of the ice cream.
Exactly.
Even though I'm gonna eat this though, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, all it does is help us make this cool little unique way to enjoy strawberry. So instead of using gelatin, and gelatin has to sit for a really long time, we use a product called agar.
Agar, yes.
And this is just a food grade product that comes from algae naturally. And we can actually make a quicker setup than just using a gelatin.
Yeah.
And all we need is vegetable oil to make that happen.
Yes, and it's vegan.
It is, yes.
Yeah, that's the difference. I love it. This is cool.
Enjoy.
So they got this cute little screen right here. I can order a complimentary beverage. Oh, this is cool. Infused water, or I can do regular water. Great, how are you? Oh, can I have a lemonade?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I'm ready now. I know you asked me before, but thank you so much. This is super cute. So let's see if we can go back. And so let's look at the events. Okay, so, ooh. I'm gonna go to the Lincoln Table Mixology 101. I'm gonna go with Grilling with the Masters. Oh, is this sold out? Oh, I wanted to do that, so I need to go with Grilling with the Masters. I might be out of town that day, but this is cool. So yeah, so you can even register right here. Thank you so much. Oh, y'all missed it. Okay, so we're inside. There's Megs. There's Steph. Okay, we inside the car. Okay. Listen. Did you say they did put? We inside of a building.
Listen,
look, you can look outside through the windshield. You can look at all the people at the event. I'm chilling in the car in the passenger seat. Meg's trying to ride. Ma'am, this is not a low rider. This is nice. It's is this burgundy? I think so. With the with the wood grain. It's like a chocolate burgundy with the wood grain. I feel like I need to be in the passenger seat though, because I'm not driving.
I actually like big cars. Like I could drive big.
I was thinking something totally inappropriate. Well, okay. Listen, Steph.
Huh?
You know you're gonna be in the vlog, right?
I'll
Like,
take it. I'll take it.
listen, so I'm chilling in the car. I'm gonna get out the car because I don't want to be the people that's just like mad chilling in the car.
I can take a nap.
I could take a nap. Listen,
This is a perfect
oh, look at the
road
back
trip
seat.
car.
Look at this.
Look how big.
I could. Yep. All right. Let me be appropriate. Okay. Let me turn the camera off. There's 3 rows. Does one of them fold down?
I'm sure
Okay,
it does.
very
You
good.
need space.
All right. Let's be appropriate. Hey y'all, so I am finally back at home, about to go inside and chill. I was gonna go to my uncle's house today because he made a brisket, but like I've already had 2 food events today, a birthday party and the Sweet Science Lab. And so I just want to go in the house and relax and enjoy the rest of my evening, get ready for my work week. Well, let me say this. I work for myself and I work from home. So I do give myself days off where there's no work, but because food is life and life is food, like going to the event today, it was fun, but it was also work because I'm vlogging. So anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying these new like vlog style videos with food and stuff like that. Let me know in the comment section what else you want to see, and you know, share it with a friend. I think if you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, as we call it, the Metroplex, then I think you could see in the video like what events they have coming up at the Lincoln Center. So they're always pretty like intimate and small, but they're fun. And I'll keep y'all coming with me on the various events. And what else I was gonna say? And maybe I'll have some of my own events again. So anyway, enjoy your day whenever you are watching this vlog up and through here. Shout out to Socialite Sandy, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.